Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can verify your Rumble account. I'm gonna be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end. So the very first thing what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.rumble.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now in this interface, in the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Once you click on the icon, you'll be able to see a list of options. Now you'll need to click on My Content. As you click on My Content, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see all the videos that you've uploaded on Rumble. And in the right hand side bar, there are multiple options. You need to click on this option that is Account Verification. Now as soon as I click on account verification, as you can see that the account has not been verified yet. In order to verify your account, you need to enter in your phone number. After that, you'll need to select the mode of receiving a verification code or an OTP. So you can select any of these options such as mobile phone, text me or landline. So then select the method whichever is convenient for you. And as soon as you do this, right at the bottom, now you'll need to enter in the verification code that you will be receiving through an SMS or a call. Once you receive the verification code, enter in right over here and click on validate code in the bottom left corner. Once you've done this, as you can see that the phone number has been verified, and right on top your account status will also be changed as verified. So in this way you can verify your Rumble account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.